Currently on the screen is the life of Invest 92S, which was upgraded by the Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre to Cat 1 Cyclone. Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. Tropical Cyclone Hilda is a Category 1 system, and the latest from the Bureau, there's a cyclone watch for Bidyadanga to Walleye and adjacent inland parts of the East Pilbara. Cancelled zone is Bidyadanga to Broome and Pardue to Walleye. Details of Hilda at 8 AM local time. She remains a Category 1 system with sustained winds near the centre of 85 kilometres per hour with wind gusts to 120 kilometres per hour. Located within 20 kilometres, the 19.3 degrees south, 121.6 degrees east, estimated to be 70 kilometres south-southwest of Bidyadanga, 165 kilometres south-southwest of Broome, tracking south-southwest at 8 kilometres an hour, and the cyclone should gradually weaken over land as it moves on a general southerly track. Central pressure should be down around the 985 millibars, but later today should be up around 990. Gales with wind gusts to 120 kilometres per hour likely over coastal parts within the warning area, the adjacent inland areas until early Thursday afternoon. Now here's the latest track from the Bureau of Meteorology on Hilda. Squally thunderstorms with gusts to 90 kilometres per hour are expected over inland eastern Pilbara areas today and tonight, and the Bureau of Meteorology has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Heavy rain is also occurring over the West Kimberley, the adjacent areas East Pilbara. Here's the latest NOAA floaters, and as mentioned, they weren't supposed to become operational to January the 2nd, but it's good to have them available. And a yellow alert remains in place, and all clear for people between Broome and Bidyadanga, and Bidyadanga between Walleye and Pardue. And with Hilda reaching Category 1 status, considering how close she was to the coast, there's no way that it could have been a Cat 2 or even a mid-range Cat 1, but we'll see if there's any post-mortem on it. Now here's a look at the BSCH website. We're looking at their wind model, which I think is a GFS, and the wind speed in knots is the bottom left hand side of the screen, and this is out to 2200 hours tomorrow, Friday. Sea surface temperature was the low 30s, 31, 32 Celsius. Here's a satellite view of the western region, and Hilda did get an act together in the last 12-14 hours. However, here's a look at precipitation, and this is across the same period. And looking at a couple of observations, the rainfall has been high in some areas. One that I cited just before doing this update was 150 millimetres. But central pressure has been down around 985. There was a wind gust of 100 kilometres an hour. And we have a look at the 12-hourly rainfall picture for WA across the next 4 days. As mentioned, this is updated every 12 hours by the Bureau. The Bureau's total forecast of rain, and look at that area in green, dark green, blue and purple. And the picture changes again for the eastern coastal region of Australia, and here in the southeast Queensland corner. Now here's a closer look at the precipitation due to Hilda. A look at the Himawari 8 rainbow view of Australia and its surrounding regions, and you can clearly see the tropical cyclone Hilda. Upper level divergence over Hilda remains very healthy, 50 knots. Latest wind shear, and as she moves south then inland, the wind shear will become an issue. This is a deep layer wind shear, and quite a bit of blue and green, and the latest 850 millibar vorticity. Now we have a look at the Tropical Tidbits tracks on Hilda. And the models, the tracks continue to change. Now we look at the GFS, latest model 1 for precipitation, pressure, and other than tropical cyclone Hilda, not much going on. And finally the UK Met Spaghetti model run. We will continue to bring updated information and on the local weather.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.